Today, I feel metrics are very important for the same reason for improvement. Like today, what happens, one of the things what happens is people who are doing are trying to do more or trying to get more efficient. In the time, the process, they are also getting burnt out. They are getting stressed out. And at the end of the day, there is somewhere a feeling that why am I doing all these things when the other person is not doing or contributing? The question is, are we facilitating that person to do? Are we giving him the right facilities, right manpower support? I somehow feel a lot of times people don't do that much because they don't have the best sister assisting them, they don't have the, probably, I'm not sure, that might be one of the reasons. But unless we see some numbers, how do we discuss with them? Otherwise it will become very fluffy. There won't be anything hard to get your hands around. I would like to get a feedback from all the other people. Yeah.
Actually, would it be a good idea to get the job description of each of the people they're going to, because each one has different roles. Like a person could be a surgeon, a teacher, there are many other roles a person is doing. So would it be practical or would it be better to have a metric where you can individualize it and it should be appropriate to that particular person rather than having a generalized one?
This has to be, this has to be customized by itself. Like today, some of these metrics are not relevant when you take an orbit or a glaucoma or a pediatric ophthalmology. So this is, I feel this as a skeleton or a template which has to be customized to your needs.
Actually, you can flip it around. Let's say the generic work requirement, there will not be a huge difference. It is how much the proportions will vary. If you take in doctor, is what to do surgery, see patients, teach, go for camps, maybe write research. There will be few other things which is applicable to everybody. For some, the relevance may be zero of one thing, maybe more. So I think if you asked about what can be the roadblock, because if the intention is to grow the person of the individual, I think whatever we measure has to relate to something. This is what I've been also telling you earlier. This can be even something negotiated. This is what I expect of you. This is where you are. And this can be purely qualitative in the sense I expect you to go for 15 camps the next year, or I expect that you take 5 classes next. But in the next, I think there's got to be that expectation. Otherwise, it is very difficult to interpret this because that expectation also binds the manager or the supervisor or the director to give those opportunities.
I think